Alright, a little fun with fire. Doing a little novelty tonight. It's kind of windy. It's kind of yucky out. So doing your basic jumping jack from Mighty Max. And as you can see, they look like firecrackers. But they're not firecrackers. They just make a little whoosh 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 sound. But they're pretty cool. So we'll do a couple of these. Jumping jack from Mighty Max. Let's check it out. Alright, let's give it a whirl. I can even find it. There it goes. That one's still going. There it goes. Alright, let's try another one. Oh. Alright. Too many cars coming here. There we go, finally. Boy, oh boy. Cars coming, bad lighter. Oh. Alright, there you go, jumping jacks.